Guys, don't mind me in this video. I know I'm missing my name, the color code, my color, my top hat, And this is before I got a new idea. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Hey bro, what's up, Mr. Baconator? Do you have that username thing? Oh, bro. Hi, Kitty.
Hi guys.
Hey, can we drink? Can we drink?
Hi, you guys.
Hey, yo, bro.
Hey, bro, great.
Bro, kidding now.
Hey, yo, peace.
In this lobby.
Yo, can someone tell me if I'm moving or not?
Actually, was just Brandy.
Yo, do I move when I do this?
Okay.
Yo, pink hat. Pink hat. Pink hat. Pink hat. Pink hat's behind you.
Yeah.
Do I move when I do this?
Wait, how do you spell it?
So it's just
Get away from me.
Did I tag you?
Almost.
So it's kidding
I almost tagged you while spinning. My goal is to tag someone while spinning. If I tag someone while spinning, I'm like that. No. Yo, I'm so busy, bro. You suck. You suck.
Yo, I'm so dizzy.
kidding, Jesus.
I'm so dizzy. I think I might fall.
You're horrible. You got that's what you got forget on.
Well, you got that too, so.
And your garbage at the game, but I'm better than you, shit or that.
Oh, I'm spinning again. The glitch is happening again. Oh, the glitch is happening.
Wow, what's
again.
Wait a minute, I got chat. Did literally everyone in the code just leave? YN mode activated, literally.
Dang.
Oh,
One person still here.
Dang.
wait a minute. Hey, there's that sticky monkey right there. I told you, you suck. Come on.
Oh.
Huh?
You suck.
Yo, Black, help. Black.
What's in here? What? Guys, this guy's stinker.
He's still spinning.
Come on.
Yeah. Nah, you're camping. You're literally just camping.
Nah, but you're garbage too. I'll beat all you guys in the 1v1. Literally.
What's a
Bro, I didn't ask if I wanted to do it.
Man, I do a 1v3. I mean 1v2, but I don't know.
I'm gonna teach you how to do it.
Well, I don't want to do it.
No.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
nah.
both you guys. You both
No,
suck.
I'm not following you.
It's a game setting. No, it's a game setting.
You just see
So
how
it's
a game setting.
Then 1v1
I
then
don't want
1v1 then.
I don't want to.
Come on, go.
Let me do it again real quick.
Come on. Wait till next stop.
Oh my god.
I'm saying that.
Come on, you too.
Person in this situation or what? Come on, look it. Come, look it. So this is how we're gonna do it. Look it. And so we're one of the taggers. Look it. I'm like whoever's the tagger.
This is harder than I thought.
And like they have to chase the other teammate. So I'm gonna try to like tag you.
Well, what's your name in Gorilla Tag?
Like a long time. So like get the camera, like just put it.
Huh? What? What's your name in Gorilla Tag? Oh, box color? You're the head of the server. Look. I don't? You're the boxer killer. See, you're number one. No?
I guess I'm gonna play one round.
What is
Oh yeah, I know why. Cause I boxed before.
Y'all know how I win all my boxing matches? Look. Come.
Why now? No, it's not like that. It's like this. Let me do it. Look. No, look.
I'll finish the camera.
I'm cutting up my.
This, watch this, guys. I'll finish it, y'all. This. Yo, Blue, come here, bro. This. Come on, watch this. Ankles.
Bro, Green, I don't know who you think you are, but you're not ankling no one.
And I don't know who you think you are.
Like, buddy, calm down. You have one arm, buddy. Calm down.
Where you going?
Just because
I kind of feel bad.
Where you going, man? You literally just got frozen, bro. Dang, it's box killer. He's good. He's actually good.
Bro, name is a gooner.
Blue, green.
No,
Chat help! Chat help me! Chat help!
Oh, thank you. No, it's 50 people. Bubble. It feels like 50 people. Bob, stop camping. Bob, I'm gonna report this. Camping.
No, imagine camping in 2025.
I'm not camping, bro. I'm looking.
Somebody else. I'm not because
Looking? Yeah, buddy. I don't think staying somewhere next to someone that's frozen is called
tag me. Gonna be me. Gonna be me. Come on, bro. It's over your shoe. Nah, I'm spinning too fast.
What the Sigma?
I'm Batman. Wait, who tagged me? Who tagged me?
Bruh.
Why are there so many people?
One phone feed.
Dang.
Help me! No!
Please. Stop camping.
領域展開
What's up, little Timmy?
My bro like that! Bro, what? Box killer! Box killer! Why you call it box killer like that?
Got you.
Boxer killer, he hurt me. Thank you, Boxer killer. He hurt me. Thank you, Boxer killer. You're not nice. You're very mean.
Bruh.
My bro. You mean the most of anyone in this lobby. We're spinners. We're fidget spinners.
Oh my god, it's my turn. My goodness, you just got tagged.
Oh my god, your magic Cappy could have been me. Cappy's that bad. Wow.
Oh my goodness, you just got.
No, Boxer killer. Juke him out. Unfreeze me. I tagged you. I'm close. No.
And we just.
Let's spin into harmony.
Baby, why won't you come my way?
I smell your toes.
We gonna come in blood with Josie.
No, someone, you can unfreeze him. You can unfreeze him. I don't care. He needs to survive. He needs to be last.
They try to take my turn. They gonna come and blow New Jersey. They trying to take my turn. Go. Bah. Nah, did you? Imagine Kevin in 2025. Could it be me, bro? Get out, bro. My chat. I'm going chat. This is the end of the video, chat. Bye, chat. Get out.
I'm sipping on promethazine. I can't put down the cup. I can't put down the cup.
That's my hot Cheeto. Cheeto.
I can't put down.
There's no one up here.
But if I don't see who it is in 5 seconds, I'm gonna disconnect.
I do have it on.
But if I see it,
You're so dookie. You're so far. You're far. You're far. You're far.
Help! He tagged my big yacht.
You're a far nugget. Yeah, who's a far nugget now? Yeah, but you a far nugget. You a far nugget.
Because guess what? I'm almost.
What?
And now it's going bow, 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 bow.
well, oh, hell no, bro. I'll be like this. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. See y'all.